Ever wondered why we yawn? I mean, it's contagious, right? Just thinking about it might make you do it. Yawning isn't just about being tired. Scientists believe it actually helps cool down your brain. When your brain heats up from thinking hard, being tired, or even stress, yawning increases blood flow and air intake, which helps regulate its temperature. And yep, yawns are contagious. That's because of something called mirror neurons, your brain's way of syncing up with people around you. So if you just yawned, congrats, your brain's doing its job. Follow for more science in 60 seconds or less.